on that particular moment, उस particular चीज में, उस particular moment में, I just realized कि I need to do more better now. I need to be a better person now. I need to be a more better leader now, and I want to set examples from now. I want to be someone that they can feel bad on betraying it. Because, frankly speaking, we, off topic, I'm a fantastic friend. I'm the best friend that you can have in your entire life, and my friends can guarantee you on this. You will never be able to find, you won't be able to find a friend like me. That is true. I haven't found any friend who is equally good as I am their friend. I have so many great friends. I have so many great friends, right? But I'm the best friend a one can have. That's true, right? And and that's where the more heartbreak came in. That's why I was more hurt at that position कि इतने अच्छे दोस्त को अगर आप धोखा दे सकते हो, इतने अच्छे इंसान को अगर आप धोखा दे सकते हो, तो फिर दैट इज इट आई गेस। उसके बाद तो देयर इज नथिंग लेफ्ट इन बिटवीन, राइट? But everything happens for a reason and everything happens for a good, and I strongly believe on this, right? um, तो बस उससे आगे बढ़े, उस चीज को आहिस्ता आहिस्ता कर कर उससे वापस उठे, अपने कदमों में खड़े हुए, एंड देन एट दैट मोमेंट, as I said earlier, that I decided to not to stop and to be more stronger, more better, and more successful in my life, to make sure that they can regret one day that who they have messed with. This is what a leadership brings out to you: challenges, and challenges that can, that can hurt you from inside, and also that makes you a better leader, because once you go through all these processes, जब आप इतने दुख को सहने की सलाहियत अपने अंदर डेवलप करना आहिस्ता 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 करके शुरू कर देते हो, तो फिर ऑब्वियसली आप एक अपना बेटर वर्जन निकल जाते हो। ये बड़ी सिंपल सी मेथोडोलॉजी है इसके पीछे। तो जितना सख्त आप अपने आप को गुजार लोगे, उतना आसान आपको आगे जाकर चीजें लगना शुरू हो जाएंगी। but that doesn't mean that you stop trusting other people, कि भाई उसने मुझे धोखा दे दिया तो अब तो सब मुझे धोखे देंगे। That's where your mental capacity comes in, and that's why leaders are more successful in making practical decisions rather than a normal people, क्योंकि they understand, they observe different people, and they understand that what is the best that they can bring out from you. So so yeah.